We make decisions not on the basis of how we know that they are right, but we make decisions on the basis of how is it convenient for me to remain politically relevant. And in there, we lose the momentum to do the right things. The country loses time on things that can be done now as we wait for tomorrow. Our focus is not the next election. Our focus is the transformation of Kenya. Let me repeat it. We must do what we must do. As so long as it is in the exercise of transforming our nation, the next election notwithstanding. Are we together? Yes. The next election is not our focus. If there is a focus, let it be the transformation, the foundation we are laying so that the next generation can be different.